Biomass boiler service today. Let's have a look at this. So they're just servicing a biomass boiler. If we just have a look outside. These have come out of the biomass boiler. As you can see, they're all damaged. So they're just replacing these. I'm just with Gecko Renewables again today. So how does a biomass boiler work? Let's go and have a look. So outside here, we've got a big massive pellet store. And then these pellets get brought in on a truck and then they go into there. That's the header bit there. And if we go inside, we can see on there, you can see that pipe there that goes in to building. And then that's the pipe there, so that comes in, drops down into there, goes through into here, and then if we have a look at the bottom of here, can we just have a quick look in here?
Yeah.
Where do they go in there?
That hole there.
They come through that hole there.
And it burns in here.
And it burns in there. And this is a bit like an oil boiler, isn't it? What are they called? Turbulators? Tubulators. So on a service, you take all these out, and then you clean that. You've got a rod, don't you?
Yeah, rod down the bottom of it.
They've just got a brush there. A big long brush. And then it comes out this side here, but we'll have a look at the other side while he's undoing that off. So they'll put the brush down there, they'll clean all these out, and then
see the end of the tubulators. If you look on that left hand side, and then all them pipes is the water that comes in
there.
Yes.
If you've got any questions on biomass, put some comments below. I'm sure Jamie, is it Jamie or is it James, or is it my name's James, or and that's it. That's your biomass boiler. One thing that's interesting is this bit of it here, this is the water part of it. So if you have a look at back at door there, this bit here, that's where it transfers the heat from the fire, if you like, in here into all this here.
Right, so basically the burner's obviously there, the fire will come up here, go down to the end.
So burner's here, burner's down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the heat will transfer down the to the end.
Yeah.
Through them tubes, I don't know if you can see them very well.
Right, okay.
The 4 tubes at the end, which then come back on themselves through these big 4 ports here. And then suppose that all seals round your tubulators, and then it'll transfer through all the tubulators to the end, and then out the flue.
So this isn't a wet jacket then? No. So I said that wrong.
This is the wet jacket here, all this part.
Oh, I see. So this is the wet bit.
Yeah.
This the flue gases come through all these.
Through all these ports, yeah.
Ah, right. Okay. So this is part of the jacket then as well.
Yeah.
This is
There'll be
so this has
water
got water
that.
in that. Right. Okay. Very interesting. Oh, what else?
No.
What about injectors? Have you got any injectors to show us? Is there one over there somewhere? Do you want to tell us about that?
What injector?
There, sat on that filing cabinet thing. What's that?
Oh, that's your igniter.
Oh, igniter.
Yeah, not injector. I don't know what it was on about then. So basically,
I don't know what we're about either, so that's why I'm here.
Igniter, which is located down the side here, what's around. Come on here. So it's sat here. So the end of these will heat up, and then the heat will go through a tube, and you won't be able to see it very well unfortunately, but the little tube that goes down there, and then that will blow the heat onto the pellets sat in the burner, which will then ignite the pellets.
Good
and
stuff.
then once they're ignited, obviously it goes feeding itself.
So Wiesman, So what does that mean? Which bit of it's Wiesmann then?
That side.
Just the side.
It's been back up, but Wiesmann's rebadged it.
Right.
So,
So as you can see, I didn't have a clue either, but it's really interesting to see something different. If you've got any questions, as I say, on biomass, put some comments below.